So, hi guys. I haven't been around for a while, and so I'm back with an update. And just quickly filming this in the car because that's what life is like right now. Things are happening, actually happening. So, while I have been away, uh, not posted anything, what's been actually happening is I was removing the bottleneck. If you go and look at my last video, I talked about the biggest bottleneck that I didn't realize that I was contributing towards. I removed it. I am 92% done with my level 2 gym instructor course, which allows me to get insured and start training clients. So, all these clients I've been researching, there's a whole playlist you guys can see for nearly 3-4 months. I can actually start reaching out and start getting them booked. And I have 4 weeks to go and get that, started. And yeah, so that's what's been happening. I just put my head down and I just thought, like, I can't, until I qualify, I can't start practicing. So what's the point of like keep explaining this on in a video? I might as well just do it. And then being a mom of 3 and life and everything, it just took me a while, almost 2 months, but I've got it done. So my practical exam that I have to sit and train an actual person, um, that's booked for 6th of June. So that update is coming soon. And I'm really excited about it because every Friday, so today's a Friday when I'm filming this for you guys, um, I've come to the gym. I'm going to practice a mock assessment on the criteria that would be judged on. So I've got 4 more weeks to go, and then it'll be the big weekend on the Saturday that I will actually do the actual assessment. And I'm feeling really confident and it's going well. So what's happened on all this time that I haven't posted is that I've actually gotten closer to beginning actually practicing as a exercise fitness instructor, and that's the level 2. So I've got level 3 to go through, and the postnatal specialization. But that's fine. I'm not using that as an excuse. I thought I need cash flow, right? Because what's also happened in this time is that you guys know that I've been an Amazon seller for a while, and I actually got the email from Amazon that they are discontinuing working with my Amazon company and us supplying to them. So the vendor relationship is being discontinued in next 2 months. So I was like, fine. I was already out of that, situation, and I wasn't depending on this, and it just came as a bit of a surprise that okay, they're ready for it, and I was preparing to exit that anyway, and I was gonna let it run itself to a stop. Well, it's coming to a stop soon. So anyway, that gave me the push that okay, I don't need to wait till level 3 or perfect time of postnatal sorting out childcare, because that's my specialized offer that I wanted to do in 3 to 4 months time. The go time is now, in 4 weeks time, when I actually I have to start practicing. But some other good things have happened too. So these are 2 updates, right? One, I'm 92% done with my level 2 course. I'm beginning actually working with clients in 5 weeks, inshallah. And then another update for you guys while I've been away is that I've been training in the gym 5 days a week. So that's like given me a whole new perspective. I've been, you guys know how much Claude I've been using, how much AI I've been using, and it's given me a whole new idea of developing a specific app for my postnatal clients, which I couldn't have come across if I hadn't done this 2 months deep work. It couldn't have come to me, just talking about it on the internet, that what should be done. This is what's validating. And I've already validated that idea with a couple of family members. And it sounds really exciting to them. So that's what's coming up on this channel. Yes, the views are down. Amazon life is over. But, new stuff is happening. New beginnings are happening. And, and this is why, like, it's so important. And I'm glad, like, I did that. So, that's a couple of the updates that I wanted to quickly give you guys before I go to the gym session. And it's getting hot in the car now, so I'm just going to restart it, because, gosh, stupid Tesla. Yeah, it's a nice hot day, but it's getting hot in the car, so I'm just going to put the AC on. But the main reason I wanted to make this video is to post this update, that I actually have some updates to give you guys in terms of what's happened, how far the needle's moved forward, how close I am to actually taking my first client, and it's very close. So I think, let me know in the comments below, should I do another 30-day challenge of actually acquiring clients? I think that would be a good idea. I don't know if I will be able to document that, because there's a lot that needs to happen. I'm ringing up venues to hire. I'm sorting out my insurance, which is surprisingly cheap for, personal trainers and fitness instructors. I had budgeted for quite high, but it's actually not that high. So quite affordable. Big surprise. But another business is starting, and I'm feeling good about this, feeling like, we're moving in the right direction. A whole new chapter is starting. The old chapters are closing, which is fine. We've had a good run of like nearly 17 years with Amazon. It's about time. And, they will always be part of the story on this channel. You guys know, you've seen me document that for the past 5 years. My expertise, how much work and how much business we did with them. It was amazing while it lasted, but that whole world has changed now. But anyway, we are exiting that world, entering in a new world of fitness and, app development. Maybe it will be an app, but first off, it's going to be a freebie. And that's something I'm so excited to talk to you about, guys, because, that is something that gives me that online thing that I wanted, because physical in-person business, there is a limit on how much you can work in person. So I really like that other, idea of having something online and AI based, because that's where the world is going. And if you go back and watch this video when I actually talk about, starting this whole idea, my first video when I talked about this, I had no idea. I was actually talking about like, AI is not the only thing, but here we are 4 months into building this business in public and in private, doing the deep work. And I have found an AI use in my business, which is very, very good. You guys will love it. And so stay tuned. Do subscribe if you have just found this video, because this is real building. It's ugly. It's not, pretty. It's not, people are already signed up. Nobody's cheering for you. You're just in the grind yourself alone. And, things are creeping up. Your safety nets are being removed, and you've got to make the jump. So I've made the jump. I'm kind of mid-jump. I was, I'll put up the picture here. That's fish bowl, the fish leaving the old bowl. That kind of imagery was coming to me. I said, that's me, that fish. So mid-jump. I've got to land this thing and nail this landing, which I will, inshallah. So anyway, it's fun making this video after a while. I don't even have a script in front of me. I'm just filming quickly before I go into the gym and do the mock today. And Claude has been my partner in all of this. A lot of decision making, a lot of the soup in my head that comes with like dealing with so many different aspects of things, and you're just one person dealing with it. It has helped me untangle so much of it. So that's pure godsend. I wouldn't have been able to have this much clarity at this early about where I'm going without AI. So thanks for whoever's worked that out. It's improved my productivity so much. It's improved my learning so much. I have made this 92% progress in my course because of Claude, because I've been using it to test me back and helping me do the assignments and quizzes faster, and not second guessing myself, not trying to learn things because I don't need to learn. I need to know what the concept is and then being able to apply practically. And so the practical phase is to begin, and that's where I will actually practice my knowledge with people, real people, and gain more user feedback for my app. So very excited about what's coming on this channel. I hope you guys stay around, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what you guys think. But yeah, see you next time, whenever that's going to be, hopefully soon.